Imagine paying for your morning coffee with the ultimate digital security. All from your phone. Why Euro? That's the power of using a virtual card in store. And here's exactly how to do it. First, you'll need a virtual card. These are digital versions of your credit or debit cards, often generated by your bank or a financial service, offering unique card numbers and expiry dates for online or specific transactions once you have one. The key to in-store use is adding it to your smartphone or smartwatch's digital wallet. Open your preferred digital wallet app. Why Euro? Think Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Look for an option like a card or a plus icon. Tapping this will usually prompt you to enter your virtual card details manually. Or some services allow you to scan the virtual card information if it's displayed on your screen. You'll need to securely verify the virtual card, which might involve receiving a one-time code via text message or email linked to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This step ensures you're the rightful owner of the virtual card. Once your virtual card is successfully added to your digital wallet, you're ready for in-store payments. At the checkout terminal, look for the contactless payment symbol. Why Euro? Those familiar waves the cashier might ask if you want to pay with your phone or smartwatch. Simply unlock your device and hold it near the payment terminal. You don't even need to open the wallet app for most transactions. The terminal will read the encrypted information from your device, process the payment securely, and you'll receive a confirmation on your phone. The beauty of this is that your primary card details are never shared with the merchant. Virtual cards create a tokenized representation, significantly protecting your real account information, minimizing the risk of data breaches, and giving you peace of mind with every tap. So go ahead, leverage the security and convenience of virtual cards for your next in-store purchase. Why Euro? It's the smart way to pay.